What is going on YouTube? Hey, I'm back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Specifically in today's episode, we have to talk about a few things that have continued to take place over the weekend and since last week. Specifically, we have to look at these kind of fractals that have been forming and resistances that we've been retesting on most of the major cryptocurrencies. For the most part, we've pretty much hit a bit of a resistance, or we've kind of intertwined in a point now where we do need to make a decision. But as you guys know, it is the weekend, which means things take a little bit longer to unfold. So we might have to wait until tomorrow, even though it's a holiday. So probably have to wait till Tuesday, since the markets won't be open, the stock market won't be open tomorrow. So very interesting. But the things we need to look at, as you can see, is XRP, which has formed. We just recently discovered a descending fractal, bullish. The flagpole right here. Here's the descending fractal trending inside, and we are currently intertwined within our moving average as well as our downtrend here. That's been taking place since January 23. You can see January 23rd, we've been in this downtrend here, and it's currently February it's 19th. So we've had quite a few corrections along the way here. Also, that just reminds me, today is my birthday and I just turned 25, which I don't really want to think about because 25 is a quarter of a century, and that's really old. So keep that in mind. I also was filming a video for my second channel and got super sunburned yesterday, which is a little odd for this time in Florida, but I'll explain why and you'll see why in the video later on. But moving forward from here, moving forward from XRP, you can see these other cryptos like Ethereum here are kind of consolidating sideways here. As we said a couple of days ago, maybe 2 days ago, we have broken outside of this major resistance here. We did say as an aggressive trade, you could buy in because we confirmed closing here, but conservatively, I am getting a bit worried here because the way the other cryptocurrencies are looking, they don't seem to have the volume yet that would explode us to the upside here. So I am kind of taking a back seat on this one, waiting for another opportunity to buy in, and then we'll go from there. You can also see why, because Bitcoin as well is hitting a bit of resistance. So XRP is hitting its downtrend here. Everything is finally caught up with each other. Ethereum is hitting a bit of resistance. Bitcoin is hitting its price ceiling right here, which is obviously resistance. And then the S&P 500 is intertwined, retesting its major resistance level right here and starting to kind of correct downwards. But we're kind of intertwined within an area right now that most likely is going to dip. That's kind of where my head's at. But with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's dive into today's episode. So guys, moving forward, as you can see on the channel here, yesterday's video, we were talking about how the next phase is coming and it's going to be a shocking one. And this is typically a textbook descending fractal here, or some sort of pennant flag formation where we do have a beautiful flag pole followed by a correction to the downside here. And we're looking to find the target before we start to see a rally to the upside here. And it's very interesting also to watch how you guys react in regards to views and in regards to comments and things of that nature, my subscriber count. It's all very relevant to how the markets are being looked at here, because this is not the first time I've been in crypto, and this is not the first stagnant year that I've been in crypto either. So a couple of years ago, back in 2018, 2019, we had the same exact stuff happening. My channel exploded during the bull run, even pretty much went higher during the bear run, and then the consolidation phase happened and we went stagnant. And it's a continued trend that I'm noticing here. Now we had another explosion in bull run. I went from 20k subs all the way up to 60k subs, and then the market started to get into a bull run. We went up a little bit higher, and now we're starting to get into that stagnant motion, and we're seeing more consolidation. Subs are kind of weakening down, views are kind of weakening down. It's the same trending pattern. The markets are cyclical, so I'm not as worried this time around because it's no longer fresh. It's no longer new, and I know how to track the market and gear the market. So because we're in the stagnant point, the last time we were this low and this bearish and not really seeing much movement at all within these major cryptocurrencies was back, like I said, in 2018, 2019 on Bitcoin. The last time my channel was kind of falling lower, we were right around this level here, 2018, 2019. This was the period of like consolidation. Honestly, it was mainly this period. I wouldn't say 2020. I'd say up until maybe here. This was a very long, drawn out, or I would say more so like this. Let's pull it like this. This phase here from like 2018 into 2019 was extremely slow and boring, and my channels and my views and subscribers fell and they dipped. And we can go back and you can see it here. But keep in mind, this was the best point to be buying into cryptocurrency. And here we are again, the same exact stuff is happening. Negative comments. We have lower views, lower subscriber count. Subs are falling. People are unsubscribing. I don't take it personally because it's the same exact stuff that keeps happening here. What do? Well, this is where I stack my bags. This is where I've been buying in. And guess what? I've been doing the same thing here, and then come in a couple of months or in a couple of years, I'd say mainly a couple of months, we're going to start to see the markets reverse rally, and we're going to see big swings to the upside here. And for those people that doubted us now, they're going to be paying for it later. So we're going to be making quite a bit of money. We're already heading up to the upside here, which is exciting. As you guys remember, since confirming closure outside of this major descending fractal here, we've confirmed right over here, and you can see we pretty much bought in right at the low where we were consolidating right here at about 16,600. We're currently at 24.6. So we're already up money from when we've bought in, long term. We're up 50% already. So we've made enough money to capitalize off major swings to put us in a good position for the next couple of months. But, we do have a lot of these cryptos. We've said we're very much so bullish on the weekly charts here. We're heading up to moving averages. Short term, I do expect to see consolidation. Short term, XRP is kind of due to Bitcoin is kind of due to correct lower. Everything is kind of leaning towards a potential correction to the downside, which is a little freaky. We rejected 2 weeks now off this major resistance here. There's a good chance it's going to continue downwards to retest its moving average at about 4,039.80, something around that level there, pulling us right back down to here to create a continued higher low pattern. You can see 1, 2, 3. It's a continued pattern, and there's a good chance Bitcoin is going to pull itself down with it, as you don't have enough steam and volume now, and we are retesting near overbought. Ethereum is pulling back down most likely again, and we're going to see XRP probably do the same thing. Obviously, XRP is a little bit different because XRP is trading at about 50 on the RSI. So it's a bit interesting here, but ideally I would expect to see correction down to here followed by a breakout, but it's very possible we could see the same thing here. It's pretty much textbook right now as to when we buy in. It's very textbook. If we can confirm, and I would say conservatively, confirm closing above 39 cents, this would be an opportunity to buy along. Otherwise, we can expect to see a short opportunity come. So if you want to play it aggressive, you can put a stop loss at 40 cents and short the coin with expectations to correct down to 36 cents, maybe even lower by Wednesday. Or, if you hit the stop loss, you can immediately reverse your position and buy along and capitalize on the run to the other side. With that being said, we do all of our cryptocurrency trades using BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Buy long, sell short, leverage trades, stop losses, take profits. Everything you could possibly think of is offered on BidFi. They even have XRP, which honestly, not many exchanges do at this point here. So the fact that you can buy and leverage trade XRP, or you could just hold on to it using their spot trade right here and using classic version, you could just buy and hold on to XRP is really cool, especially for the fact that most cryptocurrency exchanges do not offer it at this time. What's also really, really, really unique to BidFi is they have a demo account which gives you 100K in Monopoly money to test your skills. That means you can trade around risk-free, and it is completely free to sign up and start using the demo account. $100,000 in Monopoly money to test your skills on the market. That means any trades that I might do or any trades that you want to do, you can take advantage of or test them out completely risk-free and cost zero, cost nothing to test out. And if you get good at it and if you can make some profitable trades, your balance is higher than 100K, you can then decide if you want to start using real cryptocurrency. And the best part about BidFi now is that if you do sign up with the link in the description, or if you are already signed up to BidFi, click new user rewards right here, and you can earn up to $2,888 completely free by signing up and using the bonuses, which is really cool. So make sure to check that out if you haven't already. Link is down in the description below. But moving forward here, it's that simple right now. It's textbook. It's either we break through here and we buy in long, or we're going to see a correction back to the downside here, and we will take advantage of this in the short term. Normally, we don't really trade XRP short term right now, but that's what we're kind of dealing with right now as the trades are looking really nice. This technical indicator is looking really nice. Otherwise, we are very much so bullish in the long term. We've bought in at 38 cents a couple of weeks ago, and we're holding out for the long term with expectations of seeing the market shoot up to about 55 to 95 cents here. Ethereum, I know it's broken outside of here, but I have this gut feeling that there's a good chance that we could see a swing to the downside here because cryptos like Bitcoin are hitting resistance. There's a good chance we're going to see a dip, and the S&P 500 it looks like it's starting to correct lower here. So there's a good chance everything is going to be seeing a pullback this weekend. this week. And it's just a matter of seeing what happens. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.